Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ram 1500 sun visor. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and a new visor. Make sure your new visor matches your truck's interior and features. Working in good light will help you see the small screws and clips clearly. This simple repair can be done in about 15 to 20 minutes. To remove the old visor, begin by locating the two small plastic covers on the visor's base. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry these open, revealing the screws underneath. Next, use your T20 Torx bit to unscrew the two screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the visor down and disconnect the electrical connector for the vanity light, if present. Now, take your new sun visor and carefully connect its electrical wire to the vehicle's harness. Ensure the connection is secure. Then, align the new visor's mounting bracket with the two screw holes in the headliner. Insert the two T20 Torx screws and tighten them firmly, but do not over-tighten. This ensures the visor is securely attached and functions correctly. After securing the screws, snap the plastic covers back into place to conceal the mounting hardware. Now, test your new visor. Move it through its full range of motion, ensuring it pivots smoothly and stays in any desired position. If your visor has a vanity light, open the cover and check that it illuminates properly. This completes the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.